students. Today now I am going to revise the previous class. What we learned in the previous class about largest number. What is the 6-digit largest number? 9,99,999. So successor of 9,99,999 is 10 lakh. Okay. So smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Okay, next 8-digit smallest number we learned in the yesterday, is it? So 7-digit largest number is 99,99,999. So successor of 99,99,999 is 1 crore. 1 crore. So last class we learned these two concepts, and remaining concepts learn about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So Indian system, Indian system of numerals. Okay, what is that? Ones, then thousands, the next one lakhs, and final one is crores. Is it? Are you clear this? Yes. So ones divide in 3 columns: ones, tens, hundreds. And next one, 1000 divided into 1000 and 10,000. And lakhs divide two columns, lakhs, 10 lakhs. And crore also divided 2 columns, crore, 10 crore. Okay, are you clear this? So ones, 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10 lakhs, okay. And next crore, 1 crore, 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. Very clear? Okay, 1 crore. Afterwards 10 crore. 10 crore. Okay, this is the Indian system of numerals. And next one, international. International, how many zeros? You will calculate. Ones nothing, 0, is it? So tens, 1 0, hundreds having 2 zeros, 1000 3, 10,000 4, lakhs 5, 10 lakhs 6, crore 7, and finally 10 crore is 8 zeros. So number of zeros in Indian system of numerals corresponding to the division on ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And next one, international. Numerals. Okay. So international. So here Indian system, put the comma, come after first ones come after 3 digits, and next onwards second comma come after the next 2 of the digit, after come after the 2 digits. ஃபஸ்ட்டு மட்டும் தான் என்ன வரும் 3 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் கமா வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்தியன் சிஸ்டமில் எல்லாத்துலேயும் என்ன வரும் 2 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அடுத்ததுலேருந்து என்ன வரும் இந்த 2 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு கமா வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த 2 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு கமா வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த 2 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் தான் 2 டிஜிட்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் தான் என்ன செய்யணும் கமா வரும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் மட்டும்தான் என்ன இருக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு கமா come after the 3 digit, come after the 3 digit. That is the Indian system of numeration. Okay, and next one international ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay, so once divide as usual the same one Indian system of numeration, ones, tens, hundreds. So thousands here 1000, 10,000, and next one consider to the 100,000, and next millions, million, 1 million. Okay, next one 10 million, 100 million, and next billion also considered in 3, divides 3 parts, billion, that's mean 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, so already you know that here put comma come after every 3 digits, every 3 digits. First put the comma come after the first 3 digits from the right side, from the right side. Here also same. Next one the Indian system, second comma come after the 2 digit, come after the 2 digit. Here come after the 3 digit, come after the 3 digits. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, okay, 1000, 10,000, okay, next 100,000, okay, and next million. For your understanding I will write like this. Okay, 1 million, million having 3 zeros. Here divide the zeros in 3 3, is it, because comma come from after the 3 digits, so you will divide like this, you will understand easily. Okay, so 1 million, next 10 million, okay, and next one 100 million. Okay, that's all. And next one billion, so 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billions, $1 billion, next 10 billion. For your understanding I will write like this, so you can understand easily, is it. So billion having the how many zeros, 9 zeros, so 1 billions. Next one 10, added the remaining 9 zeros, so 10 billions, and 100 billions means 100, enter right. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of Indian system of numerals and international system of numerals. And next one of the concept learn comparison, is it, comparison of 2 numbers and how to make a largest number and smallest number from the given digits. Okay, so first learn the how to make largest number and smallest number from the given digits, is it? So in case the given numbers are 3, 4, 5, 0, 2 is given. Okay. So first we frame a largest number. So how do you make a largest number? Write in the descending order. Largest number you want to make from a digits. You want to make from a digits, given digits. Write in a descending order. Descending order. So largest number is equal to descending order. Which one is greatest one? 5. And next one 4, 3. Okay, largest number. So 2, 0. So therefore the largest number is 54,320 is the largest number. So what is the smallest number? We have considered the same one. Write in the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number. Start from the smallest number. Here the smallest number is 0. So it's not valid in front of any numbers. It's not valid, is it? Is this valid? 0, 2. It's not valid. So next one of the smallest number is 2. Next compare with other numbers. Which is the smallest number here? 0. Okay. And next start in 3. And next one is 4 or 5. Okay. So it is a smallest number. Okay. I hope you are understand the concept of how to make the largest number and smallest number from the given numbers. Comparison of numbers. So how do you compare the numbers? Compare the numbers. Start from left side. Compare the numbers. Start from the left side. Okay. For example, 44,678 and another one of the number 45,678 or any one of the number. Okay. Compare these two numbers. First start from the left hand side, this left side. Okay. So compare, both are equal. Next compare the next digits 4 and 5. Which one is greatest one? 5 is the greatest one. So it should is the greatest number. Okay. We can easy to identify. Okay. In case the both values are equal, move to the next one of the digit. Move to the next one of the digit. Here the next 3 digits are same in the both numbers. So stop this. And the greater number is this one. So put the symbol like this. Less than. Okay. This is the greatest value. So 45,678 is greater than the 44,678. I hope you are all understand the last class. These are the we are learned in the last class. Just go through all the datas. Okay. Any doubt asked to me, I will clarify again. Okay. Now see the example problems now. Example 1, in page number 5, rewrite the following numbers in the Indian and international system using commas. Okay. So example 1. So first subdivision 7402895. Okay. Okay, first So you want to write in the Indian and international. Indian system and international okay. Second one 1835 762 okay. Indian system international okay. Now see here, first write the Indian system. So put comma in this place, is it? What to do in this place? Put the comma. So Indian system of numerals have put the comma from come after the 3 digit. Come after the first comma put after the 3 digits. Okay. Put comma come after the 3 digit and next digit put after second comma put after which digit? 2 digit. Afterwards again 2 digits. Okay, and finally so one is there. So how to read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 7 crore, 40 lakh, 28,952. 52. This is the Indian system. Okay. And next one, international system. International system we divide in 3, 3, 3. Okay. So you can write easily, is it? The first comma write in put the comma from after the 3 digit. After write the comma, put the comma after the next 3 digit. After write next comma. So international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 74 million 28,952. Okay. And next one, Indian system. I hope you all understand this concept, is it? So I'll say after the comma from 762, come after the first 3 digit. Next put the comma after of the next 2 digit is 35. After comma put the next 2 digit. Okay, that is an Indian system. And next one, international system, 762. First comma come after the 3 digit. Next comma also come after the 3 digits. So next 3 digit is 835 and remaining one. Okay. So how can you read this? 18,35,762 and next here 1,808,835,000. Okay, 835,000. So 1,835,762. I hope you all understand this concept. Okay. Example 2 in a book page, the same 5. Okay. Rewrite the following numbers in the international place value chart into board. Okay. So place value chart. Ones, thousands, next one is million, millions. Okay, So first value is, it's divided in 3 because here write in the international place value chart. International place value chart. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Okay. What is the first one? First option 64, 32, 156. So you want to write in the international. So first divide in 3 digits. Okay, for your understanding. Okay. So now write in this column place value chart. So ones place is 6, tens place is 5, hundredth place is 1, 1000 place is 2, 10,000 places 3, 100,000 places 4, and million places 6. So value of the given number is 6,432,156. 156. That is the international system of numerals. Okay. And now one more number is given. B is 87201593. So it's also divided in 3. Is it? Put the comma. After come the 3 digits. Now substitute in this place value chart. Okay. So ones value is 3, tens value is 9, hundreds is 5, 1000 is 1, 10,000 is 0, 100,000 is 2, million is 7, and 10 million is 8. So how can you write? 87,201,592. I hope you are understand. Okay. Any doubt? Ask to me. Now move to the exercise problem now. Exercise 1.1. First one, write the following numbers in words. Already you know how do you write in words, is it? Difficult one and B. So A and C are homework. I will write the homework at the end of the class. Okay. So write the number in words. In words. The number is 35533. First one solution. The given number is, how can you read? Ones, tens, hundreds. Is given number is an Indian system of numerals because the second comma come after the second digits. So given number is Indian system of numerals. So hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1000 after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 3 crore. So how can you read? 3 crore 55 lakh 33,555. In what's this number? 3 lakh, 3 crore, 3 crore 55. 55 lakh lakhs 33 thousand 555. I hope you understand the concept. How do you write in words? Okay. And remaining problems are homework. Now move to the second one. Write the following numbers in word. So first one is given in Indian system. Next one is given in international system is given. That's all. Okay. This is a Indian system. Indian system. Here next one is given in international system. Because it's divide the digits by comma in 3 3. Okay. So international system. So in words, $127,946 is it? Well known in the international systems. Okay. So what is that? 127. So here 1. So 100 and 127. 127 thousand 946. 6. Okay. So next C I will write again. Okay. B1 is homework. Okay ma. B1 is homework and C problem 50,415,293. Okay. Let's divide in 3 3. So international system is given. So in words, $15 million. $15 million 400 15 415,000 200 and 93. Inverse 15,415,000. Okay. Second of place value chart in international system. Second one is thousands. So 415,000 and 293. Okay. And next one, fourth problem. Rewrite the following numbers in the Indian system and international system. Put commas. Already you learn well. Okay. So I will do only one. Remaining you will do at homework. Okay. So first problem, put the comma. Put commas. The number is 3271294. Okay, first write in Indian. Indian system. Second one, international. So Indian system, first put the comma. Come after the 3 digit. Come after the 3 digits. So first 3 digit. Okay. So 944. Next comma. Come after the 2 digits. So 12. Okay. Next comma. Next 2 digits. So how can you read? 27 lakhs 12,944. Okay, 944. And the international system is given in 3, is it? So first one 944, comma, and next one 712,000, 2 million. Okay, I hope you are understand the concept of put commas. And next, I hope you are understand the concept of where do you put the commas in a Indian systems and international systems. Okay. And next one, fifth problem. Write the numerals for the following. So first one, A. 26 crore 14 lakhs 52. 14 lakhs 52 is given. Okay. So first, how can you write in words? 26 crore 14 lakh, and then 52 is given, not in 1000 places. So in this places you have to put the zeros. Okay, thousands la illa, so on the places la enna podanuma, 0 podum. Okay va? So 0 0. So how many zeros in the Indian system only given? So 2 zeros. After 100 places also not there, 1000 places also not there, and 100 places also not there. ரெண்டுமே இல்லை. ஸோ அந்த பிளேசஸில் நம்ம 1000 பிளேசஸ் ரெண்டுலேயுமே 0 போட்டுட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 100 பிளேசஸ்லேயும் இல்லை. அப்புறம் 10th பிளேஸ் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 52. ஸோ 10th place is 5. 2 is the ones place. So the number is 26 crore 14 lakhs 52. Okay, second one 76 lakhs. 76 lakhs. Okay, 209 only kudura. 209 only. 209 only given. The place value chart missing in this place are thousands. So lakhs is given, 1000 is not given. In this place substitute the value of 0 in thousands and 209. So 10th place is not given. So that place you have to put 0 and 9. 209. So C is a homework. C is a homework. Okay. And next, sixth problem. write the following numbers in the standard form. Write the following numbers in the standard form. So here expanded form is given. Everyone see your book, the page number 6. Already I hope you are seeing in the book. The question 6, write the following number in the standard form. So expanded form is given. Five lakh 60,000 2,000 plus 60 plus 9 is given. 9 is given. How can you write? So 5 lakhs 60,000. So 5 lakhs 60. Here are 2,000 are there. So 62,000. 100 place is not given. So 0, 69. 0, 69. So 5 lakh 62,000 and 69. 69. So remaining are homework. Okay. And 7th one. Compare the numbers using comparison. Okay. Just before of 10 minutes we all recap the previous class. Comparison. Okay. Comparison of numbers, greater number or less than or equal, like that. Okay. That is compare the using the symbols less than, greater than or equal to. So here first one, four crore 85 lakh 90,216, and then 48 lakh 59,021. Okay. And next one is given B, 39 lakh 47,306. 3 crore 94 lakhs 73,600. Okay. So which is greatest one? Here 4 crore. So this is the greatest one. Okay. Here 39 lakh. Here 3 crore. So which is greatest one? This is the greatest value. So put this side. Greater number sign, put like this. Okay. The less than symbol. The symbol is called the less than symbol. Okay. And next one 8. Write the successor of each of the following. Successor. So first one, successor means added 1 to the given number. Added 1 to the given number. So here the given number is 27,30,891. So successor of number 27,30,899. So successor means you have to add 1. So 0, 0, is it? 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 0, 1, 9. Okay. So successor of this number is 27,30,900. And next B, 99,999 is given. So successor of 99,999 is added 1 to the given number. So 10, 1, 0, 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 10. So, answer 1 lakh. That is the successor of 99,999. So, remaining problems, homework, and the ninth one. Write the predecessor. Predecessor means subtract the 1 from the given number. Subtract the 1 from the given number. கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து 1 என்ன செஞ்சிரணுமா subtract பண்ணிடணும். So that is a predecessor. Predecessor. So first one is 60,000. So predecessor of 60,000 subtract 1. So 9. So borrow from here 5, is it? Here 9. So move it here also 9, 9. Here is 10, is it? So 10 minus 1, 9. Remaining. So 59,999 is the first one answer. And B, predecessor of 41,200. So subtract 1, 10. Here 9, 1. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 1. Okay. So here 1, 4. So 41,199 is the predecessor of remaining C and D are homework. Okay. Now move to the 10th problem. Write the next two numbers in the given pattern. So first one of the pattern, okay. Okay, see, everyone see here 16,45,938. So all of us see the last three digits are same, right? At the same time, the next two of the digit also same. Only changes in the first digit from the left side only will vary, is it? So 16 here, next one 17, here 18. So next one should in 19. So other values are same in all the data. So its a pattern is 19,45,938 and next one is 19 after 20. So 20,45,938. Okay, I hope you all understand. So next one of the pattern is very easiest pattern is given. So middle value and the last three digits only varied, is it? 44,061, sorry, 44 lakh 61,201 is given. Next 44 lakh 63. So middle values are odd numbers are varied, 61, 63, 65. So next one is 67, is it? And next one is 69. And last three digits 201, 301, 401. Next one 501 and 601. I hope you are understand and complete the homework in B. Okay. So B is a homework. And 11th problem. Find the smallest and largest number in each of the following. Here, give it 4 numbers, is it? So first one, what is the largest number? So first, all the data in lakhs is given and one is 8 lakh is given. Okay, 29 lakhs, 18 lakhs and 8 lakhs is given. And also only one largest number is 2 crore 95 lakhs 35,280. So largest value is value is 2,95,030, say 2,95,37,218. Okay, and the smallest value is 8,93,530. So B is a homework. The same type you will find out the largest number and smallest number. Okay, next move it to 12th problem. Form the greatest and smallest 7 digits number using the given digits only once. One time da use pannom. Okay va. So how do you frame? Already you know that largest number write in the descending order. Smallest number you can write in the ascending in the given digits. Okay. So first write in the smallest number. The numbers are 5, 6, 9, 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay. So smallest number, how can you write? Write in the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. So which one is smallest number? 1. So first one. Second one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, finally 9. The smallest number is 12,34,569. And next the largest number. What is the largest number? Write in the descending order. So write in the largest number to smallest number. So largest number is 9. Next one of the largest number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 96,54,321 is the largest number. Okay, I hope you understand this concept of largest number and smallest number from the given digits. So next one, B is a homework. Okay, and next final of this exercise, 13th problem, find the difference between the place value of 5 and 2 in the value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So find the difference between the place value. So the place value of 5 is, what is the value of place value? 5 lakh Z, 5 lakh 42,800 so 5 lakhs. So lakhs, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay, and next the place value of 2 in thousands. So 1000, 2000. Right? Place value of 2 is in thousands places. So 2000. What do you find out? Difference between the place value of 5 and 2. Place value of 5 and 2. So difference mean subtraction. Difference mean subtraction. So what is the value of 5 and 2? Is 5 lakh difference, subtract. Okay. So 0, 0, 0. So you can't able to subtract from 0. So borrow from here. So 4. So here also he needed 0, so in this place 9, so 10 minus 2, 8, 9, 4. So the difference between the place value of 5 and 2 is 4,98,000. 4,98,000. I hope you all understand the exercise examples and concepts. Okay, any doubt ask to me. Okay, I clarify to all. Thank you, students.